Okay, FM 101.7.
Arnold.
Yes, sir.
Morning. And I said, Obia argue.
Okay.
Safo no see bia one son year na. So ne masaten. No, he says it's better than you in dancing.
Safo is better than me.
Far better.
Oh, how? And you know,
Arnold, remember me nko. In fact, websites no entertainment GH. Story be that one I will try.
Me pacho me na post me.
Na se Equiapim 4C, Equiapim Polo gu omo animase enti onjai din no yoso so muntwi na so so man various punishments efa wo be we Equiapim ni.
Oh, set me nye Equiapim me. Me ye Ghana ni. And by virtue of the fact say Equiapim Polo or creative industry ni na me no ye between your free and stakeholders, our industry. I think say you who can see idea and so you are number two. Aha, and see the fact say one, you can people low or your active member or your industry, and then the fact that the likes of you and I, yes, so you to me us our industry, no one to know, and then I'm a queen, yes, some of them are not two, the hair cost.
Okay, understood. Into say Equiapim 4 C the Polo Iron Rosemont Brown. If this is my quote to it, this is what I read on your site, and me sure some so metie papa no time only and the dusty bon come or FM. Quote: I will personally make sure Equiapim Polo is punished for her actions. I will report her to all the 5 divisional chiefs and later to the new Equiapim Hini to deal with her.
Yeah.
What problem do you have with this?
First of all, you admitted the fact that Equiapim Polo no were facing one condemnation. I mean, I think the majority of Ghanaians are condemning. 2, the requisite laws are breaking here with the action, and so no, you name say we facing. And so that is there. Now, my issue with Nana UNC the one, with all respect to him, and the fact that yes, he is as an individual. He has a right to also be expressing your opinion about the aircon. But you see, over the period, no, he's not speaking as an individual, and that's even the fact that we equip him. He's speaking as the PRO for the Equiapim chieftaincy. Apem Saka Heneno is somebody else. He's a spokesperson, or no kasa anything relating to Equiapim agenda. He has been mandated to actually come out and speak.
Mm-hmm.
I would not have had an issue if he was speaking on an individual capacity, just like Ghana assembly by and ye opinion. However, when he wears the cloak of the PRO, the official PRO for the Equiapim Mampong area now, that I have a problem with. Because you see, Utie quote now so on personally as the this is the action he will take. And for me, I feel a little bit awkward because the role of advice be next or the man within the confines of palace or maybe some deliberation. That's how they have to go about it. People issue or as the PR for the area. You what I say? But about outside for me, I feel say and the personal opinion as a he is supposed to communicate decision now, chieftains on my hand and the other sub chiefs no afano. That's what he's supposed to do. But no funny film now or yes I feel say a awkward kaka. The little I know about PR and communication, I feel say we veer off. Pen the mandate, you are off the mandate. What he's supposed to do, and he said, go into a certain meeting. Let the chiefs and the people of Equiapim actually decide on what action you would want to take on Polo. And not necessarily communicating my end. However, so then speak as an individual. Just like any ordinary person, I always speak as an individual. But when you speak as the PR for and you make it same as if say, and you see, confusion are generating. They say people are thinking, say, the chiefs and people of the Equiapim are taking this decision, which is not true. It's rather on no as a personal opinion and our subject or subject to. Which for me I think that is work. So that's where my problem lies.
Okay. Now Sir, me kind will story now.
Yeah.
There is a subsection what entitled no harsh pronouncement.
Yes.
Okay, and then you are saying that the Okasa, no, he
Yeah.
should use the same energy
Uh-huh.
in publicly speaking against other persons who hail from Equiapima, or Monsu. They may have meddled in one or two other conducts are generally perceived as vices. What
Yes.
exactly were you trying to mean?
And I'm glad say one person before we submission, okay, one person with TNO, especially TNO on
And the Dusty show also.
And I have listened to him over the time I was starting to Okasa. And I don't know about you, but from where I stand, my little observation it gives the impression say blow at the end out of proportion. We all again, me say the lead or from so. Emra Ghana and it was in Huse with Tiano. Yamano echo through. We all know about this. I'm not against Polo facing any punishment. So for example, with Tia Ganamra, the likes of ministry, the Keke Kahunya and Church telling her with Tiambra, if a crapim man conform, they feel say more directives, more rules and regulations, which I believe they have. So a crapim Polo, Etia. She has all the right to face those repercussions.
Mm-hmm.
However, I also believe say as simple no outburst, no utterances no or blow at the end out of proportion, making it seem as if say polo edi with you. And now she's been entangled in some big corruption case. She's been entangled in. You understand what I'm saying? Like Bibia, what's here? Like because where like for me, I think say yes, we admit that there were and but then the way the Nana Unity any a few others no a blue at the end out of proportion, it make it seem as if say what you be because what phone be whether a robbery, whether a corruption related case, whether you understand. And for me, I think say in his commentary on HFM, on one person and Nano say if you be there's a black sheep, men's home and stuff like that. You understand? I don't remember the last time I heard him as a PRO of the area or the community actually come out to condemn somebody else that finger no for advice. So be armed robbery if you caught him. No. So I feel say Han na yedi treaty Polo no for me is a bit harsh. Based on what we claim, say, or we know, say she's done, I think say we are blowing it out of proportion.
2 questions, and I let you go back and work. Yes. Personally, what's your take on nudity? I mean, I'm not talking about the Aquadano Campicano Hono. That is a different case. But in general, celebrities are on social media so na what trapicha wa running hunina. Sometimes they are even pregnant. I'm friend no maternal photo shoots. Maternal. What's your perception on this in general? Is it a big deal? I mean.
We'll say first of all, because you're citizens, need to know. Ghana has we should go. We should stick or adhere to your rules and regulations that you want. And you need to say it's here exposure, indecent exposure. So clear, it is clear. However, no. Subjective, then they indecent. As far as I know, indecent here, why distastefully. And then you bit me classify is as indecent.
Distastefully.
Again, distastefully. And then it means that I offended the sensibilities of viewers and I say observers. And not the Okosala and also there and means that with Yamra, it's a man must deal with you. However, when we come into show business, yes, we need sex and so SLA. If you are able to do the nudity in a tasteful way, and we all know, if you have a show cleavage, we show thighs, but you will it's allowed. You understand? It's how we saying your channel. If we are not indecent and I said distastefully, they are back off. However, if we're able to measure it, if you're able to do it in a very tasteful way, the rules of show business entertainment allows for entertainers to exhibit some level of sex appeal, and it's allowed.
Nti Arnold, ebia obi tie o. I mean, educate us. At what point are taste wom, and at what points na and that never distasteful. Nti ebia Ekuapem Polo die one Instagram no mpa cho taste wom, and then so distasteful.
I think say Ekuapem Polo die no. I mean, let's be frank. Let's be very, very, very frank. It generated a lot of talk and now controversy, and there was the inclusion of the kid. If it had been Ekuapem Polo alone, boss, I mean, let's analyze it. I mean, it's also the way it is. Picture now, let's even analyze. Let's picture it. Let's analyze taking a kid out. But so much Ekuapem Polo on anything.
They be men who.
Yes, a two friend lines at them but half one.
Arnold,
Allah. Oh, some analyze and I was.
Picture no me share and steady no ye bia.
So and also no ye.
But and no soon wo like and soon ni ho.
Any ho.
Sir.
Half line them no. That is and then air tone.
Enti ya 2 mienu no gota no ye hu.
Ye 2 mienu na so ye hu gata no me ba.
Okay, na etu na se no wo say a line bi draw wo ho. I to say semi second no soon ni ho.
Etu na se no enyen naked. I mean,
okay.
See, etu na se no we see a lot of pictures at omutumi shata dey crowd to me still hu tie na se hu to na se kaka.
Na I had to say jelly so mun na ma na wo so
kind of easy. Boy. Unim line. Enti akwala no be mu no na a generating and no na it's so be sure all the friends almost every directive bia na say bibia e go against no it was because of the kid.
Okay.
And koyo no kwa dia ka menye so sanka April no ebe ko high sir.
Okay.
Because clearly no shit on kwa the picture. I mean nakedness be no show it. Bien on the show ya yen that.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay. Okay.
So for me I think akola no dey na be mu no na ma dey.
Enu na eji taste no free. Sa kwada no ni ho anka.
But Halifax over the period on Apollo na any other celebrities, female celebrity, video vixens, we've been seeing this and more.
You me time share sa niama no ntie bia me study no ji.
Sir. But Halifax, before I think the most importantly on this same polo case, again in the write-up, I did talk about the fact that there's a way it can pay for, including the Nana Yuenchino. There's a way they can tap into the positives. You understand? Because it can pay polo our numbers. You see, I can say numbers at the age now. Numbers has been an integral part of our industry way back. But this current dispensation is high. Everybody relies on numbers. Now, advantage is being a polo. She has the numbers. She has the following. Now she's beginning to have some level of influence and clout. I didn't think that it can pay for no and tap into some positives no. Because listen, last week, I think so. When he said police, Ghana police, FR Polo, said on board with the projection of one of their, I think somebody initiated the ABBA.
Police diary.
Exactly. You understand? So they realized that. So they contracted the likes of Shatawale, Stonebwoy, Ekuapem Polo. So Ghana police or fair Polo during the case has realized that no, Polo has positives. She has numbers. She has following. She has influence. She has clout. So let's tap into this positive and let her promote the initiative way. So that's what I think that the Ekuapem people should do. I mean, let's turn around. There are a lot of festivals that push it. There are a lot of things that we Ekuapem between push it. Let's use her and say, listen. Let her project the positives of the area. And no better than this criticism here.
Arnold, you better see.
Okay, FM 101.7.